Are you a business owner wishing for an extra set of hands? That's where artificial intelligence or AI comes in. AI isn't just for tech giants, it's for every business, big or small. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Think of AI like learning a smartphone. It might seem tricky at first, but soon it's essential. AI is here to make your job easier, not harder. This guide is for entrepreneurs ready to work smarter. Imagine your business running smoother, your customers happier, and you having more time for what matters. That's what AI can help you achieve. From coffee shops to shipping companies, leaders are using AI to get ahead. You deserve that same advantage. Let's unlock this potential together. Business owners everywhere are taking their first steps into AI and seeing real results. This is about empowerment, giving you the tools to compete and succeed. The time is now. Let's build a smarter business together. Your future self will thank you. So, what is AI? Simply put, it's smart software that learns, analyzes, and helps you make better decisions. Think of your phone suggesting the fastest route. That's AI. It's not a robot takeover, it's a helpful assistant. AI sorts through data like customer feedback and sales, spotting trends you might miss. It helps you move from guessing to knowing. For example, a salon can use AI to send appointment reminders and manage inventory automatically. AI frees your team to focus on what they do best. Adopting AI keeps your business relevant and competitive. Ready to start? Begin by identifying your most repetitive or time-consuming task. Is it answering the same questions, entering data, or scheduling? Pick one pain point. This is where AI can help first. Look for simple, ready-made AI tools. For example, an AI chatbot can answer common questions 24/7. Or use AI to automate scheduling based on staff availability. Start small, get a quick win, and build confidence. Try one tool, see the results, and get feedback. This hands-on approach will show you AI's real value. Soon, you'll be ready to explore even more possibilities. Every business is unique, so your AI sweet spot will be different. Start where AI can make the biggest impact with minimal disruption. Customer service is a great place. AI chatbots handle routine questions and boost satisfaction. In marketing, AI helps target the right audience and personalize promotions. For operations, AI predicts inventory needs or optimizes scheduling. Choose a process you can measure, like reduced emails or increased sales. Track the results to prove AI's value. Identify a repetitive task and start there. That's your sweet spot. You've learned what AI is and how to start, but you don't have to do it alone. That's where the Scalepros come in. We help business owners like you find the best AI solutions. Our mission: make AI accessible and practical for everyone. We offer a free, no obligation agency AI audit. We'll review your business and identify top areas for AI impact. It's a risk-free way to get expert advice. Text us at 216-899-3888 or visit thescalepros.com to claim your audit. Let's build your smarter future together.